Good morning, my friends. Today we're going to make a recipe, I think it's from around 1973, they say. It's called avocado bread. Now, I've never made this. Hopefully it comes out delicious. I'm hoping Megan really enjoys it because she really likes avocado toast. So why not put it on in the bread? Let's give it a try. So I got my bag of organic avocados. I don't know about you, but I've been zonked by avocados before, so we've got 6 here to work with. And it says we need 2 medium size, and these are kind of small, so I'm thinking we might need 3. You know that what they say, or I say, make that recipe your own. So I'm gonna get on peeling these here. Well, actually, I guess we can kind of just slice them and see what we got inside. Hopefully, okay. So these aren't too bad, but there's not a lot to them, so I'm going to use 3. I'm going to go ahead and do all 3 of these and scoop them up and put them into the bowl. Okay, we've got the avocados all set. I did use 3 because they were small. Now we're going to add in 3 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And we're going to mix this all together. So far, this is looking kind of like guacamole, but who knows? I bet it's going to be delicious. We're going to add in next 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And give that a quick little stir. And now we're going to add in 2 cups of regular flour. And hopefully this one is not going to be too thick and it's going to be easy to mix. It's looking good. Everybody that I saw that made this loaf used a non-stick loaf pan. I don't have one of those. I have the glass. So just to make sure it doesn't stick, I'm going to give it a quick spray. And to pour the guacamole batter into the baking dish or loaf pan. It's pretty thick. This is a very thick and dense mixture. I'm hoping that it doesn't make the bread real heavy, but it sure does smell good and look good. So we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And then we'll give it the old tasty taste. Alrighty, looking and smelling good, fresh out of the oven. Just gonna let it cool and then you know what time it is. Tasty taste time. Alrighty, I saw some people put like some kind of a glaze on it, but I think that sounds a little too sweet for this. Not sure, but it looks great, smells great. I'm gonna slice up a couple of pieces while it's still warm because I have a feeling this is gonna be super yummy while it's warm. And see if I can't get Megan to do a little tasty taste. Let's see, oh yeah, okay. It looks like the pictures. That's a good start, right? Okay. So, here we go. Alrighty, it's gonna be time for a little taste and tasting.